Warning! Do not burn your cardboards. Do this instead.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I found her trying to burn these cardboards, and I said no, there is something beautiful we can do about it. We always throw waste, not thinking that we could create something with it. So I want us to have that consciousness in mind. So we start by cutting this cardboard into 4 equal parts. That's it. Make sure you glue it at the bottom to form this shape. This is a simple DIY you can do at home, and it's not time consuming. In fact, we'll do it in less than 5 minutes. You can do this. So now I wrap it on this sticker paper and I shape it and follow the shape of the box that we have created. So I make sure that the bottom of it is smooth. Then I cut the sides and stick it inside. And the thing about this sticker or this craft is that you should just make sure that smooth it's standing and it's okay. So I like this sticker paper because it's waterproof. So I use this to decorate. So I'm gonna glue it round and make sure that the glue does not show it's straight up. Then I'll use this little germ to just attach it to it round. So this is it, and I'll leave this. Now this is the ribbon. I'll use purple, and I'll just start by using a binding wire and the ribbon and stick the ribbon to the binding wire. I just take it gradually, pass it round and round and round and round, and that's it. So this is it. That's how it looks. So I'm going to use a pressing iron and a ribbon. So what I'll do is I'll press it to this shape. So this is what we do, use glue to glue it together. Just make sure that the ribbon and the sleeve are equal, and this is what we have. Then I start cutting it in bits, as you can see. Start cutting it took me time. So this is a double-sided tape and it's big, but we're going to manage this because this is all I could find. So I'll glue it at the edge of the double-sided tape, and I'll cut it with the scissors. Yeah, I found it very challenging to use this double-sided tape like this because the scissors kept sticking into the tape. It was hard for me. So if you have a smaller size, then it's better for you to use a smaller double-sided tape. So to cut the glue and the scissors is not easy. So I'll remove one side of the tape, then I start sticking it around the wire that we have covered with the ribbon. So we started by gluing the top before passing the double-sided tape around. The reason is you have to make sure that it sticks. So once you glue it, it will stick. But if you don't glue it, you just use the double-sided tape. For me, it did not work like that. For me, it did not stick, so I use glue on top. So I just pass it round and round and round and round and make sure that it's tight, and that's it. So this is what we did. Just kept doing it. It was really fun, and this is how it turned out. This is it. Oh my god, I love it so much. Don't forget to add sand and stones in the vase to make it heavier. Oh god, this is a waste. This is waste. It's from waste. So if you have an idea that you can share to make this look better, just tell me in the comment section below. Do you love it? Tell me in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to show us all the love you know best. Bye.